Welcome to the physics lab. The upgrades to the physics lab are largely equipment and software for every experimental activity that we do, for demonstrations, and we've basically upgraded considerably. The new equipment and the new software examples here have some exciting new features such as wireless sensors. Wireless sensors allow students to manipulate the experiment, take data without getting tangled in wires, which also affect their outcome. The new software allows us to do more extensive analysis. It also allows me to control experimental parameters a little bit more as I design new activities. I envision us taking some experiments outside that we didn't used to do because we'll be able to pack up a laptop, pack up the sensors. Some additional upgrades we've had is, for example, this lovely telescope that we've gotten. We've got another go-to telescope in the back of the lab. And on this bench are a few of the items of equipment that we've gotten in terms of upgrades. We've got a Van de Graaff generator, a vacuum pressure pump, and a bell jar. These are upgrades to some things that I've taken on outreach. So we're looking forward to having more outreach activities on campus. In addition to upgrading our standard laboratory activities, we were also able to get a series of brand new experiments, more advanced labs, that we haven't had as an option for students here before. I'm standing in front of the charge to mass ratio of the electron experiment. And in fact, I just had some honor students commission some of these new experiments. Having the capability of touching foundations of physics in an introductory course is really, to me, kind of a cool feature of the new opportunities and new equipment that we have.